SpriteDeck is a drag-and-drop design tool for building 2D mobile games. Graphic assets, once imported into SpriteDeck, can be arranged into layers, grouped into scenes, or stacked into animation sequences. Once you are satisfied with the graphic layout, SpriteDeck can generate the code and file structure for your mobile SDK. After creating a new project, the first step is to import the graphic assets. SpriteDeck supports standard formats including PNG, JPEG, and GIF. On the right-hand side is the inspector. By default, if nothing is selected, the inspector allows you to choose the target SDK and the target device. The inspector is dynamic. If an image object is selected, it will reflect the attributes of the selection. Underneath the inspector is the Layers panel. Each object on the design canvas is represented as a layer. You can arrange the layer ordering with drag and drop. Layers can be hidden or locked to avoid accidental editing. Use undo-redo to correct any mistakes. Use the zoom control when working with oversized or small objects. Objects can be grouped into scenes. Scene objects can be placed in the canvas just like an image object. To edit a scene, simply double-click on the object on the canvas, or double-click the thumbnail. Use the breadcrumb to navigate between scenes. We can use scenes to create screen transitions, although some coding might be necessary. Here we are going to create a welcome screen and a simple game level. We will create a button to trigger the screen transition. The button object is given an appropriate name, so later we can attach an event handler to the button using code. Back to the main stage, we will rotate and position the welcome screen. Next, we are creating a simple static game level. We can nest scene objects to speed up the layout process. This game level will stay hidden until it is instantiated by the welcome screen. Once you are satisfied with the layout, click Export and select an export directory. The export directory is populated with image assets and generated code. Let's run this simulator to see what it looks like. For the screen transition, we need to make some code modifications. In the generated code, we have a pair of files matching to each scene. One begins with an underscore and one without. Always modify the file without the underscore. It will ensure your custom code is preserved when the project is re-exported by SpriteDeck. In the Welcome screen, we will insert code to instantiate the game level. Let's add some animation to the game level. In the animation dialog, frames can be inserted, removed, and rearranged. The project needs to re-export to reflect the changes. SpriteDeck's visual editor speeds up the most repetitive aspects of 2D game development. It helps you, the game developer, to write clean, reusable code. For more information, please visit www.spritedeck.com. Thank you for watching.